3 people were arrested after detectives discovered cocaine, an illegal gun, and cash in a Chicopee home. Chicopee police and the Western Massachusetts Gang Task Force executed a search warrant on a home on Marshall Avenue. During the search, they found more than 350 grams of cocaine, an illegal gun, and more than $28,000 in cash. Police arrested 31-year-old Alex Perez, 71-year-old Felix Perez, and 65-year-old Rosa Cruz. All 3 are facing charges, including trafficking cocaine.